In recent years, sustainable travel has become increasingly popular among travelers looking to minimize their environmental impact while exploring the world. By making conscious decisions about transportation, accommodation, and activities, you can reduce your carbon footprint and support local communities. Here are some tips for sustainable travel that you can follow on your next trip. 1. Choose eco-friendly accommodations. Look for accommodations that have implemented sustainable practices, such as using renewable energy sources, recycling, and reducing water consumption. Some hotels and resorts even offer organic and locally sourced meals. 2. Use public transportation or walk or bike. Instead of renting a car or taking taxis, opt for public transportation or rent a bike. Walking or biking not only reduces carbon emissions, but it's also a great way to explore a new place while getting exercise. 3. Pack light. The heavier your luggage, the more fuel your transportation will consume. Only bring what you need, and consider using a reusable water bottle, tote bag, and food container to reduce waste. 4. Explore the outdoors and discover sustainable ways to have fun. From mountain climbing to lake swimming, get back in touch with nature while supporting local communities. Pass up animal exploitation activities such as elephant rides or zoos. Instead, visit cultural sites that can teach you something new about your environment. 5. Make a positive difference for the environment by being mindful of energy and water usage. Turning off lights and unplugging electronics when not in use can help conserve electricity, while shorter showers will lead to significant decreases in overall water consumption. 6. From small coffee shops to locally owned restaurants, supporting local businesses is a great way for travelers to get an authentic taste of their destination. By choosing these unique places instead of chain stores and eateries, you can add flavor, literally, while also helping craftspeople keep the cultural landscape alive by buying handmade souvenirs from artisanal spots. 7. Offset your carbon footprint. Consider offsetting the carbon emissions from your travel by supporting carbon offset programs or by donating to organizations that plant trees or invest in renewable energy. 8. Sustainable travel isn't just about reducing your environmental impact, it's also about supporting local communities and promoting responsible tourism. By following these tips, you can have a memorable and meaningful travel experience while minimizing your impact on the environment.